Hello, my name is Kitti Kovacs and I'm a Hungarian garden designer. We are here at Birmingham at the BBC Gardeners' World Show at the QVC border, which is called My Garden Escape. QVC has asked me to design a garden around their amazing pink cactus, which I'm absolutely in love with. So we had about 6 weeks to create the whole concept and to come up with the idea, working on the planting plan. And we had 5 days to build the whole garden. The feature of the border are obviously the egg chairs, but also have a look at the palm trees. They are really hardy palms, and you can see these palms in many English gardens. But what we done, we were stripping their barks down, so they look really, really stylish. I love the way that we were able to use really subtle colors. Everything is really nice, interesting textures, harmonizing colors. We have Martagon lilies here, which are looking grand. They are really easy to grow plants, just as the rest of the planting. As a garden designer, I believe that a garden is not just for one season, not just for summer. You should be able to enjoy your garden throughout the year. And this is why it's so important to use evergreen grasses for structure. I used alliums, which has been already in flowering. They keep their seed heads very well, and it gives you structure. So you don't need to cut back the seed heads of the flowers in your garden, because they can be really architectural. All the plants which I used in this garden would look good before they get flowering, when they flower, and after flowering. So it would make a really easy to maintain border and garden for you. I'm very proud that I was able to create a garden which, however looks exotic, can be implemented in anyone's garden in the UK and enjoy all year round. Please come and discover more about My Garden Escape at QVC.